Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the Temu app on your device. If you're looking for a great shopping app with amazing deals, stay tuned and follow these quick and easy steps. First, open your device's App Store. If you're on Android, go to the Google Play Store. And if you're using an iPhone, head to the App Store. In the search bar, type Temu and hit Enter. The Temu app will show up in the search results. It's usually one of the first options. Tap on it to open the app's download page. Next, tap the Install or Get button to start downloading the app to your phone. The download should only take a few moments, depending on your internet speed. Once it's installed, simply open the Temu app, sign up or log in, and you're ready to start browsing through some amazing deals and products. And that's it. Now you know how to download the Temu app to your device and start shopping for great deals. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.